did a sewer scope inspection. So here's that downspout that was clogged, about a foot down. We took it apart. There's a T-fitting. We opened it up, and wow. And I was digging, and we found the problem on the other side of the house. There's a T-fitting, just like the other side of the house, a T-fitting where the downspouts are clogging because it's a T-fitting. So I got the Y fitting, getting ready. I start digging, and I find 3 more pipes, 2 coming from the foundation footing. So I connect the downspouts together. So now I've got 2 downspouts into 1, but I still have 2 more pipes to deal with. So there they are. So I decide to put together the 2 footing drainage pipes into 1. There you go. And so now I'm combining. So I got a downspout here, which is really a chain, a downspout here, and they're combining into a Y fitting, which really helps with not clogging. And then I got the 2 downspout, 2 footing there into a Y, and now I got 2 instead of 4 pipes, 3 or 4 pipes. I've got only 2 now I have to deal with. There's the other pipes that used to be there. Well, they're still there, but I just buried them. I don't want 3 pipes. Just want 2. And right there, I'm going to combine those 2 into 1. And so back up to the top there, I got 2 downspouts into a Y fitting, into a pipe. And all the whole time I'm dealing with all the landscaping pipes and the sprinkling pipes and the drips and all that. And the pipes have to drain properly. I don't want any sags in them. So they're all sloped. All the combined pipes are sloped downhill. So these 2 pipes connect into 1, and that's just going to push everything out. I want everything to just combine and push into 1 drainage pipe. And it's a lot of work. So there's my drainage pipe there. Remember, in that place I had 2 fittings? Well, I combine them into 1 now. Now I have 1 big pipe with all the water being blown right in. There's a connection there. So I had 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And to finish it off, threw down some stones here. So this is where it's going to discharge into that drainage pit of stones. Maybe it's a Japanese garden developing kind of thing. I'm not sure.